Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of AI project cycle chapter. So, in this video, we'll be learning the last two stages of AI project cycle, that is, one is modeling and another one is evaluation. So, to begin up with data modeling. So, first of all, we should know what exactly is data modeling. What is data modeling? So, data modeling is a mathematical approach in which an algorithm is designed as per the requirement of the system, which is ready to be installed to analyze the data technically. Now, what does this mean? This means that our machines, AI machines, they understand only the language of 0 and 1, right? So, they only rely on mathematical representations of data, right? Data will be given to the problem or algorithm, and algorithm will recognize the patterns or trends in the data. So this is what the stage of data modeling is. Next comes the AI models. So as you can see here, we have the two main approaches in the AI model. One is learning based approach, another one is rule based approach. In turn, learning based approach has another two categories, machine learning and deep learning. So very quickly, let us understand what is rule based approach, right? Before that, just have a look that it refers to the AI modeling where the rules are defined by the developer. As the name suggests, rule based learning, where the rules are developed by the developer and it performs the tasks accordingly, right? As per the rules, like we do in if else condition, that if we write whatever we write in if condition, if it is true, then this work happens. If it is false, then that works happen. So, in the same way, rule based approach works. Once the data is fed into the machine with the rules, so machine will work accordingly and machine will predict the answers exactly the same whatever is fed to it, obviously whatever it is trained with. Now example is decision trees. So the decision trees is the example of rule based learning. Now there are some limitations as well of rule based approach. Let us understand what are they. First limitation is the learning is static. Static means fixed. Once the machine is trained, it does not take into consideration any changes in the original training data set. Any of the changes you want to make in the original training data set that you have already given to the machine, you cannot do it. So this is the limitation, disadvantage, right? Others are also there, like it's tough to add rules to an already large knowledge based data. Then another one is rule based systems are not very useful for solving complex domains. So solution to this is learning based approach, right? And in some situations it is not even possible to explicitly define rules in a programmatic or declarative way. Fine. So these are the limitations of rule based approach. Now, after that, here comes the second approach, that is learning based approach. Now, what is learning based approach? In this approach, a machine learns by itself. Yes, I repeat, the machine learns by itself, and it has two categories, machine learning and DL, that is deep learning. Under the learning based approach, AI model gets trained on the data fed to it and then is able to design a model which is adaptive to the change in data. Now let me explain you with the help of one example. Let's say we are providing the pictures of fruits to the machine as the training data, right? And we are not telling that which fruit is this. We are simply providing the pictures. Now in learning based approach, the AI machine will itself differentiate, will itself classify the pictures of fruits on the basis of size, on the basis of color, and other methods, right? So on the basis of different categories, the machine itself do the classification.